If you need to copy a visual from Power BI into PowerPoint quickly, this is the easiest method to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to capture just one visual from your report and paste it straight into a slide in seconds. This is perfect when you want to share a chart, graph, or dashboard element in a presentation without downloading anything extra or rebuilding the visual manually. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Power BI report and make sure the visual you want to copy is visible on the screen. You can use this method for any chart, table, card, or graph that appears in your report. Once the visual is in view, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This opens the snipping tool so you can capture only the part of the screen you need. At the top of the screen, choose Rectangular Snip. This is the best option when you want to select a clean box around your Power BI visual. After that, click and drag your mouse around the visual to highlight just the area you want to copy. Try to frame it neatly so the visual looks professional when you paste it into PowerPoint. As soon as you release the mouse, the snip is copied to your clipboard automatically. Now open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the visual to appear. Click inside the slide, then press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Your Power BI visual will appear instantly, ready to resize or reposition if needed. You can drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and you can place it anywhere on the slide to fit your presentation layout. This is a really fast way to move insights from Power BI into a deck without using export tools or complicated steps. It also works great when you need to create your reports, executive summaries, or client presentations on the fly. If you want to keep your workflow efficient, this shortcut is one of the best habits to learn. Once you know it, you can copy visuals from Power BI to PowerPoint in just a few seconds. That means less time formatting and more time presenting the actual data story. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick productivity tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.